Here's our review of the CODN Handheld Vacuum, model LT117. Comes with multiple head attachments and an extra filter, USB-C charger. Let's see how this baby works out.
Let's press it.
Picks up large items with ease. And small grain items as well. Perfect.
Don't let its compact size fool you. It is packed with power. Whether you're cleaning your car, tidying up your computer keyboard, or reaching the corners of your windows, this vacuum ensures you clean every time. Super easy to use. Editors like lightweight and very look and clean. Compact and lightweight, perfect for kids. Has a free cleaning manual, versatile, ideal for hands, and even delicate surfaces like keyboards. Say goodbye to dust and dirt.
Pretty cute little vacuum. Sounds legit. Pretty good also. Comes with a bunch of nozzles. At first I bought it to leave it in the car so I can clean it, but I think I'm gonna use in the bathroom to get my girlfriend's hair all over. But overall, pretty cool.
Very light. Let's see. Not loud. Pretty